Hey Riley, can I wash the blanket yet? I'm gonna come and get it. Okay, now it's my blanket, okay? No? It's not? Oh, it's your blanket. I just wanted to wash the comforter. That's all I wanted to do. Can't wash the comforter. Riley's too busy doing this.